Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to import capture data step by step into Geomodeling software. All products in Geomodeling share the same database and same UI of data importing and exporting. What we mean by capture data usually include township, section grid, as well as any other polygon representing the river or any other features in the project area. Capture data also includes bitmaps such as satellite images. In this video, I will use three different types of capture data as the example. One is the shapefile format, another is the DXF format, and the last one is the bitmap. So to import the capture data, you need to go to the top menu, select import, and select capture data. And first we will import the shapefile format. So please make sure the file type is selected as the shapefile. And you can then select the shapefile you want to import. If you have multiple shapefile, you can click Ctrl A to select them all and click Open to start importing process. Importing capture data is very simple. You just need this one page, and in this page you need to define the input unit for the XY. And the input unit can be different from the project unit. If it's different, then the program will automatically convert it to the project unit. And you need to specify file coordinate system. If it's the same as the project coordinates, you select the second one. Otherwise, you need to select other coordinate system and use this button to select another projection system. The program will automatically convert it to the project coordinates. Then here is the summary of the XY data range. For your capture data, you can see these values to check if these are correct or not. Then you can click OK to import one capture data file, or you can click OK for all to import all the capture data file if you import multiple capture data file at one time. Then the shapefile will be imported, and you can see it's saved under the capture map folder in the miscellaneous type in Data Manager. So each capture data file is a map layer, and they will be saved under the map layer folder. You can open a base map to visualize it and QC it. So these are the capture data I just imported. You can zoom in a little bit, and if you want to change the visualization properties of the capture data, you can double click on that capture data, and in the visualization tab you can change the color and size and also the style. So you can change each map layer individually. This is how you import the shapefile. Importing the DXF file is slightly different, but the importing process is the same. You go to import capture data, and instead of selecting the file type as the shapefile, you need to select the DXF format. And then you can select the file you want to import and click Open. So this page is the same, and you can click OK to import it. But after importing, it's a little different here, because for the DXF file it may contain different information, and we actually parse the DFF file into different components. For example, here the bottom text, left and right text, section number, etc. So you can open a base map, and here on the tree view you can control different parts by checking and unchecking them on the tree view. So this is different than the shapefile data. One DXF file can contain multiple map layers, which can be parsed into different map layers after importing. And if you want to change the visualization properties, double click on it and select to change the color size or font. If you have horizon in your project, you can overlay the capture data on your horizon, for example, in 3D window or in Bitmap window. So you can double click on the horizon, and in the visualization tab in the capture section, you can select a capture data and then overlay it on the horizon. Apart from Shapefile and DXF format, capture data also includes bitmaps such as satellite images. To import bitmap, you need to go to the top main menu, select Import, and select bitmap. And please make sure the file type is selected as the bitmap file. And we support pictures in BMP, JPG, JPEG, TIFF file, GIF file, PNG, and all these formats. So then you need to select your bitmap and click Open. Then the bitmap will be imported and is saved under the bitmaps folder in the Miscellaneous tab. You can right-click on the bitmap and select Properties. You can see now the coordinates are not matched with the project area, and in the Visualization tab, you can edit the three corners of the bitmaps to make it at the right location and match with your project area. So you can change the upper left corner for the XY coordinate to make it at the right position at your project area. And the bottom left corner, you can also edit that for the X and Y coordinates. You can also edit the Z value and for the bottom right corner as well. And you can also apply transparency on the bitmap if you want. Then you can click Apply, and then you can check this bitmap to visualize it in a basemap or in a 3D window. So now you can see the bitmap location has been corrected and matched with the project area. So this is how you import the bitmap and edit the three corners of the bitmap to match it with your project area. This is the end of the video of importing cultural data into geomodeling software. If you have any question, please send a message to support@geomodeling.com. Thanks for watching.